So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun because today we're gonna draw Matt the Bat. Wow, what a great bat. And it was so cool how Matt taught me how bats see in the dark. Yeah, with echolocation. Whoa. So I'm gonna take the color black and draw Matt's goggles. He actually wears these goggles on top of his head, just like that. 4 circles, 2 inside, and then they connect, just like that. And then we'll draw his head. Whoa! And now for his eyes. Whoa! Big circle right there, another circle right there, and then go like this. Whoa, 1 eye, 2 eyes. Oh, there he is. Whoa! And then what do bats have on top of their head? Whoa, really big ears. Whoa! Really cool. They kind of look like leaves, huh? But they're actually the bat's ears. And then we'll do a nose right there. Boop, boop, boop. And then a big smile, because Matt is nice and happy. Boop. Nice tongue. All right, now for Matt's body. Whoa! And actually, Matt wears a scarf. Let's go like this. Woo! Yeah! And it's flying. Whoa! Probably because he's flying. Bats love to fly. All right, let's go like this and draw a very big wing. Whoa! Whoa! And then a wing over here. Whoa! Whoa! And then his 2 legs, just like that. Woo-hoo, straight lines. Whoa, and check this out. Yeah, the bones in the wings. Whoa! Whoa, super cool. Whoa, and you want to see something even more cool? Whoa! Some bats like to live in caves, and they like to hang upside down. Whoa! Look, just hanging from the cave. Whoa! That was so much fun drawing Matt the Bat with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!